If you're like most people that I talk to, you've got mortgage debt, credit card debt, auto loans, you might have some furniture payments, there's student loans. There's a myriad of different categories that most people have just allowed themselves to get up to their neck in debt. And I have worked several years on trying to get Rob and I completely debt-free. And, one of the biggest reasons that people can't invest or can't get ahead financially is the fact that they have allowed themselves year after year after year to kind of get into this consumerism where they don't wait till they have the money and they just charge it. After week 2 or 3 of the month, they're out of money, and what do? They pull out their credit cards. And so one of the things that I have been working on for several years now is to help people build wealth, but in order to do that, you have to have some cash, obviously, to invest, and you need to be debt-free because you don't have any excess cash to invest if you're not debt-free. Every time you get your paycheck, for most people in America and around the world, that money doesn't even belong to them anymore. It goes to the banker. It goes to the credit card company. So anyways, a few months back, I shared with y'all that I had become an independent or was looking into becoming an independent agent for a company that uses this really great algorithm to help folks get out of debt in record time. And what's really interesting about this is you don't have to have any extra money. It's not one of those pay your mortgage off bi-weekly, make extra payments and all of that stuff. It's not that at all. It is simply telling your money where to go and when using algorithms that is unique to each one of those categories that we talked about. So no matter whether it's a mortgage payment, a credit card payment, an auto loan, all of those things, there's a way that interest is calculated. And so this program is unique in the fact that you just plug in all your personal information about your debt and your income, and it spits out a sweet little report each month, and it tells you step by step how to get yourself out of debt in record time down to the day that you'll become financially free, and that means no more debt. Now, some of you out there may have multiple mortgages that you're working on. Maybe you're an investor and you would like to get those paid off as quickly as possible. You can use this for that. So basically, any type of debt that you have, it will allow you to plug in your numbers and figure out the best route for you to take. And I just absolutely love this. I'm a numbers gal. I had worked for one of the largest CPA firms in a tri-state region. I've got that in my background. I'm a corporate controller. So I'm kind of one of those right brain, left brain gals. But boy, when you come across something like this that does the work for you, where you don't have to, use so much brain power, it basically tells you step by step what to do. So anyways, I did become an independent agent for that company, and so now I can represent them. And so I'm out here telling all of you guys, if you would like a free consultation, you just send me a message and I will send you a link to let you see if this is something that would benefit you. Again, if you have any type of debt whatsoever, it does not matter if it's low interest, high interest, whatever. It doesn't matter if it's car, if it's mortgage, student loans, doesn't matter whatsoever. This will work for any type of debt. So anyways, I just wanted to hop on here because I just signed the dotted line this morning, and I wanted to share that with you because so many times people, they would love to invest, and y'all know I'm about building wealth, and you have to invest money, and you've got to have money to spend. And not necessarily does it take a whole lot of money. Sometimes like our program, $20 a month, you could start out like that. But, people need some breathing room. And here in the United States, we have really allowed ourselves to just get strangled. I mean, absolutely strangled by debt. And folks, whether you believe it or not, yes, you can live without a car payment. Yes, you can live without a mortgage. Yes, you can live without, having all of these lines of credit. And if you've been watching or listening to me for any time at all, you also realize that I'm also a Dave Ramsey fan and a financial coach. And, we talk in there about how people need to become debt-free as soon as possible, because that frees up your cash. Then that cash belongs to you so that you can spend it on building a better financial future for your family. So I just wanted to drop in, say hello, and to tell you about this, that I am now, like I said, an independent agent. And if you would like to see if this would work for you, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to send you a link over where you can fill in the blanks and let us spit out a nice little preliminary report and see how much it can save you. So y'all have a fabulous Wednesday. Talk to you soon.